Dumpster Rental Service Missouri. Are you overwhelmed by clutter or debris? S&D Dumpster and Hauling Solutions LLC is here to make waste management simple and stress-free across Missouri. From home renovations and yard cleanups to major construction projects, we provide the right dumpsters for every job. With sizes ranging from 10 to 30 yards, you'll find the perfect fit for your project, no matter how big or small. Our team takes pride in offering exceptional customer service. We ensure on-time delivery and hassle-free pickups to keep your project running smoothly. Worried about the cost? At S&D Dumpster, we provide budget-friendly rates with no hidden fees. Quality service doesn't have to break the bank. We also care about Missouri's environment. That's why we follow eco-friendly disposal practices, ensuring that recyclable materials are handled responsibly. At S&D Dumpster and Hauling Solutions LLC, your satisfaction is our priority. Let us take the stress out of waste disposal and help you reclaim your space. Ready to get started? Call us today at 417-221-3776 to book your dumpster rental. We'll help you tackle your cleanup project with ease. Choose S&D Dumpster, your trusted dumpster rental provider in Missouri.